How to share your Snapcode to Facebook Messenger directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Snapchat Snapcode to Messenger easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar. After you click on your avatar, now click on your Snapcode right here. After you click on your snap code, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is swipe down like this and you will find share snap code. Click on share snap code and you will find the messenger option right here. And yeah, it's very easy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.